My name is Kendall Johnson, and I am the front of house manager at Waterfront Restaurant. The initial reaction when guests walk through the door is one of awe. It always catches their breath, and they see 180 degrees of windows overlooking the Green Bay of Lake Michigan. The food is fine dining, but rather than the more closed-minded view of fine dining, it's thoughtful, beautiful food with fresh ingredients that makes people feel like they're having a night out that they can't have in their own kitchen. The first is a staple to our menu, the seared Diver Scallops, paired with a smoked pancetta, caramelized onion ragu, sugar snap peas, and a soy cream. And this other small plate is a new item for this season, and it is an Ahi tuna poke bowl. We use fresh sushi grade ahi tuna with a base of wasabi risotto, pea shoots, gnocchi mushrooms, edamame, fresh pressed ginger juice, and a little soy. And then we have two entrees. The first is the wild halibut. Whenever halibut is in season and we can bring it in fresh, we will offer it on our menu. It's always pan-seared and finished in the oven. The setting changes with the season and the creativity of the chef. And it is paired currently with a wild mushroom risotto, roasted sunchokes, sweet lemon, and pea tendril pesto. And the last entree is the grilled tenderloin. The tenderloin is served currently with a whipped potato, baked Parmesan haricot vert, au jus roasted shiitake mushrooms.